Dear colleagues, dear friends, dear members of the ESVS, it is my pleasure to wish you a happy new 2024 and to share with you some news from the ESVS Academy. At the beginning, I would like to inform you that we have changed 3 pathways. From ultrasound pathway that was dedicated to ultrasound education, we are now expanding to a diagnostic pathway that will offer you more educational platform from other diagnostic procedures. Also, AV access pathway is now becoming hemodialysis pathway that will also provide some new educational material in other techniques that are dealing with patients who are candidates or on hemodialysis. Finally, our academic pathway has been upgraded into professional development and academic pathway. Also, other pathways are here to stay and to help you to provide you with more educational material. We also have 3 new members in our committee. Roberta Brambilla will from Krakow meeting take over the dialysis pathway, while Efthymios Avgerinos from Greece, so-called Makis, we all know him as Makis, will take over in the venous pathway. Finally, Rebecca Skov will help us in the important part of the Academy, coordinating junior moderators in our committee. We are very proud to announce that from this year we are starting with face-to-face workshops. So we prepared a lot of face-to-face workshops throughout Europe in different hospitals, in different centers, in different countries, on different topics categorized in our pathways. So please stay tuned and wait for the more information that are coming from our path leads. Once again, Happy New Year and looking forward to meet you in our events. Goodbye.